Today I'm checking out the Thule AION 40 liters backpack. And it's gonna be a short but very informative video, so don't forget to watch it until the end. So it's carry-on size and very light, unlike the Peak Design 45, its rival I've covered before. And as usual, to demonstrate the backpack's capacity and practicality, I'll start packing it for a 2-week trip, although with the laundry kit it's actually roomy enough for over a month. And let's start packing the laptop compartment, which is lined with padding to absorb bumps and can fit a laptop and a tablet at the same time. Just take a look. The main compartment, it's like packing playground with extendable space for all my essentials. With the detachable roll-top bag and additional pockets, this backpack transforms into in one system. I can literally pack everything I need for any trip. And as you can see, the zipper top pocket keeps small items organized and easy to grab. Here is what the fully assembled backpack looks like. I want to note that the backpack is made of very high quality and pleasant to touch material. The AION has padded shoulder straps, providing comfort during the year. The back panel is breathable, helping prevent the bag from getting too sweaty in hot weather. And just in case, you can lock the exterior zipper sliders together for extra security. Now let's do a water-resistant test. In conclusion, I'd say the backpack fabric holds up pretty well against water, but the zippers do allow some water to pass through. And now it's time to try it on. So, Thule AION 40 liters backpack is one of my favorites in the carry-on segment. It's very comfortable to carry, and it has a trolley sleeve to easily combine with any suitcase. And if you are a minimalist traveler, this backpack is an excellent choice for one-bag travel.